What's up guys, and welcome back to another install. You're here bagging it with the best. I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and on this episode we have our good friend Lee here with his old man, and we are about to put air suspension to the rear of his Colorado.
Lee's father's been towing a caravan on and off for the past 4 years now. These leaf springs are looking quite sagged, resulting in loss of travel and bottoming out.
So based on the published data, these vehicles should have a center of hub to guard measurement of about 580 millimeters. This vehicle with the use is coming in at 550, so that's about a 30 mil drop just over the past 4 years. So the benefit of the airbags will be to gain that 30 mil and get it back to that 580 in the end game.
Everything you need to install your bolt-in Airbag Man suspension comes in the kit. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure you read through your vehicle-specific installation instructions thoroughly. To access your instructions, simply scan your QR code on the box, enter and search your part number, download your instructions, and away you go. Easy as that. It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance. If you are not qualified and attempt to carry out such work, ensure that all safety equipment is used and safety standards are met. This kit's got a recommended fitment time of 2 hours, but we will be installing it in 2 to 3 minutes just for you.
To get the install started, we'll firstly install the upper brackets to the airbags. Then we'll move over to the vehicle, remove the bump stops and install the lower brackets onto the leaf spring. This will allow us to secure the whole assembly in. Now that the airbags are partially assembled, it's time to remove the bump stops. Now you can see we've dropped the lower shock mounts, making it easier to remove the bump stop. Then we can install the lower brackets and then fit the rest of the assembly. The lower bracket is held in by the factory leaf pack U-bolts, and the upper bracket is secured with 2 separate bolts. Now that the airbags are installed, it's time to route the air lines, inflate the airbags, and then we'll perform a soapy water leak test.
When installing the airline, it is important to route away from any sharp edges and heat, securing along existing factory lines with cable ties towards the back of the vehicle where you have mounted the inflation valves. When cutting the tubing, only use a sharp Stanley knife or an Airbag Man tube cutter for a clean cut every time. Now that everything is in place and leak tested, it is time to refer to the last page of your installation instructions for important airbag operating heights. This page also includes maximum pressure reference, which reflects your vehicle's load capacity. Now you can enjoy leveling control and many other benefits with your Airbag Man suspension. Go that one step further with adjusting your airbags and inflating your tyres, we have a massive range of onboard air supply systems available, from switches, wireless controllers, and auto leveling, just to name a few. So make sure you jump on our website and build your tailor-made onboard air system today. That's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching this episode. Make sure you tune in next time, and remember, bag it with the best.